Hey everybody, welcome to Octosec, and now I'll explain one of the most useful tools by hackers that use it almost all the time. And it's the most common tool for attacker to use it simply and it's very effective. So what is reverse shell? Instead of the attacker communicate with your machine is connected outward to the attacker. And why does it bypass the firewall? Because most firewall allow outbound traffic and doesn't block process from connection that are going out from your computer and back to it by a tool called NAT. Okay, so a local process open a connection to external servers and give the attacker remote control, basically in the same privilege level that the process have. So if he go on a process that have like a root or maybe a domain privileges like backup or maybe some kind of root process inside of a Linux, it will be very easy for him to do anything that you want with your computer. How does it look beyond the stage? The local process opens a connection to external server and give the attacker remote control. So it will look to you like the same process running, and you don't get to see what the process exactly does. So it will do what you'd like to do. Why the attacker love reverse shell? Because it's work almost on any network. It's quiet and use open port like 443 or 8080 or maybe DNS port, stuff like that. And also can identify reverse shell. Look for a suspicious process, outbounding connection, and strange IP, and abuse of tools like PowerShell. And you can also do it by IPS or IDS. IPS is an intrusion prevention system, and IDS is an intrusion detection system. So those two can identify reverse shell and try to understand the process and maybe to stop it. So if you want a video explaining the tunneling and how it's work, and you let me know in the comment. And of course, if you want to see more, do a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.